This tutorial is on how to take our photos and get them ready to go into our museum project. I do apologize for the way I'm doing this. The Chromebooks wouldn't do my Cast-O-Matic, so I need to do it this way. So I apologize for any glitchiness in here. First fun thing you need to do is go open up your Chrome, and we need to save your photos on this actual Chromebook. Fairly easy thing to do. I'm going to click over here and go to Drive, and you should have already saved some from the server. Picked out a couple ones that you like, and I'm going to pick on this one, and it should come up in the big black screen here. I think there it goes. And it's just a matter of hitting that download, and it automatically downloads. Then you can hit the next button over here. Hit that next button. I don't like that one. Let's do this self-portrait. And I'm going to hit up here that arrow with a line on it one more time. And you can see up in the corner it popped up. And I have those two saved. Okay. Now I'm going to X out of there. We need to actually add a photo editing program on our computers. So we go to Web Store. And I'm going to type in FOTOR, FOTOR, like photo, bad spelled. Okay, add to Chromebook, and it says add app, and we've okayed this, and it should come up right there. This one's already added, so I'm going to click on that when it comes up, and I'm going to get this screen right here. Okay, now once it's loaded on, I'm at 62, 65%. It's going up there. I need to open up the program. Here it comes. There we go. And I'm going to hit open. And I'm going to pick one of the two photos. It should be download, not my drive, but download that I did. We'll do that face painting one. And a couple changes I want to make. Number one, if it needs rotated, I'd start with the rotation. So I click over in rotation, and I see it needs to go that way. Now I've rotated. I'm going to go up to crop, and this is going to take off anything that's not the painting. And this is a really good idea to get the some of those edges off that the tape. Kids are like, Mr. Lane, I can't paint underneath that tape. Well, here's the time when we edit off of that. And if you see how that little bit of that bottom's off, that's okay. And this one I have to go over here and apply. And now the photo is actually too big to go on our project. So we have to come all the way down here to resize, last one here. And I don't know if you can see this very well, but there's a little, it looks like a lock there. I want to lock those. Click on that so it becomes locked. That means the two things are going to happen at the same time, and that's really helpful. This needs to be, the first number needs to be 200, and if you lock it, the second number automatically proportions it, and that's important for our things. If you have a landscape picture, like a still life or something, it's going to be kind of small. I'm sorry about that, just how it is. But it needs to be 200 or it doesn't fit on the web page. So once I've got it to a place I want, you could also, with this program, if you wanted to, you could also like fine tune it and change the colors a little bit. But I wouldn't do much of that. Just keep it the way it is. And then we're going to save it. And this thing that looks like a floppy disk, second to the end, I'm going to hit save. And I am going to name it so that I know when I go to do my next project, I know where to find it. I'm going to call this Art 1 so that I know that I've saved it. Saved my computer like that. And I'm going to hit this blue button down here. You can see the word art going for me. I'm going to hit save. And that's all I have to do to get my things saved for the web page. I'm going to do that for both of my paintings. And that's it.